Do you know how many people had visions, ideas, and hung courage move that they were about to make and they allowed the world know to stop them? When you make the decision to do, want to do your life, just know this because the family and friends in your life do not share your vision. They will be first person to try to talk you out of what you want to do in your life. But you know this, only those that can see their individual can do the possible. People that don't have any dreams of themselves, they tend to be dream killers. They all add out. They will call you names because they have no dreams. They don't want it. Most people want to holding back. If you get into the habits of just being a mediocre, it will become a part of your consciousness. If you get the habit of giving a less than what you have within you give, it will become to damage your psychologically. You don't want to be a part of kind of self-destructive. You want to set the high standard for yourself. This greatness in you, and you got to learn how to turn out of cities outside and the critics inside and say, I am going to do this, I am going to harness my will, and I am not gonna let anything stop me. You have to be a relevance. You have to never let off the gas, never stop, never quiet, never allow to talk you out of the dream, the vision, the ideas. Understand the everyone levels there are another levels. It is the devil's job to create the challenge, issues and conflict, insecurities, fears, cause they want to put you to a test. But I can tell you now, praise the devil of every day because I just don't stop. And the devil is so mad. This freaking guys doesn't matter if you get sick, doesn't matter what you happen with his money or his finance. Every time he gets out of bed and he's on the mission to get is done. And as you become to look at your life, decide that you are gonna start working on the dreams. You gonna work and nurture that idea. Now there will be people that you criticize you. There will be people that wasn't see you for you. That I say you doesn't let nobody run you around. You don't need anybody to understand it. You don't need to anybody to approve you. You don't need to anybody to say goes ahead on and do it. If you do that, if you that get that, that's fantastic. If you get that the encouragement, that's great. But I said stand up within the yourself, nobody and say. But I said stand up within yourself boldly and say, this is my life. I'm controlling my destiny. Believe yourself.